Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, official, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube imposter commentators or trolls. And this is Burgh Unboxing, and this comes from Orem, Utah. So let's open it up. I love how the this tape came off. I don't know why, but all right, let's see what this thing is. I don't know they made a priority mail box like this. Yellow. Stabbed myself. Broke the point on this one day, and it's still very sharp. All right, this is my bank account got overdrawn. Some money I put back, I got credited, didn't go in time, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'm not asking for help. I'm just very frustrated. And we'll deal, and then something else that should have not been charged. I'm going to call the bank tomorrow for Wednesday. All right, here we go. This is what I've got several of these, but this is different. And I saw one at Fry's for $75, an ever-ready one. And what is this? God, what the hell is in here? All right, there's the box. Might keep that for some. I got something that might fit in there. One of the cat things. Okay. That just scared Fuzzy all the hell and collapsed. Hold on. Sorry, Fuzzy. Come on, stay. Be nice. Behave, Bucks. All right. Oh, and I sent the paperwork out to my cell phone. So, oh, that's what this is. Wow. Okay, here's the thing. I guess I'll have to keep this box. Maybe. I don't know. Nice box. Here's the box it came in. And in here, now if I could just do this for my whole apartment somehow. Alright, we have the whole bunch of adapters and charging cables and USB things, and I don't know what else. I have to figure this out. And this is the battery for it. It says portable battery, modular design theory. Let's open that up. This says capacity 5,000 milliamp. I guess it's amps or something. Input 5 volts /1A. Output 5 volts /1A. So there you can see that. Then they got a. I don't know if you're supposed to. They got 2 ports here. And I guess that doesn't go any further. So there's 2 ports there to do something with. Let's figure that out. And then you have one of my problems when I went to Starbucks or somewhere, the library, my iPad or the MacBook would start. I could plug the MacBook in. It would start running out of power. And by the way, the iPad will be back here about a week. He mailed it off today to get the charging port soldered. He said it'll take 5 days or something to get there. I don't know. And then he said he'll get it back, reassemble everything, and send it back to me. So I'll have the iPad back in time for AlienCon. I'm going to AlienCon. As soon as they send me a check and I get the ticket. Okay. This is the solar panel, which is kind of cool. And this has, it has a little zippered pouch to put all your cables in. And it says your instructions. Plug elevate panel directly into the MDT battery. Charge devices from the MDT battery. USB output 6 volts 6.5 watt solar panel, efficiency rating high, monocrystalline solar panel, TTC 6 to 8 hours in direct sunlight, proudly designed in the USA. Yay! Designed in the USA and made in China. Couldn't they have done it in the USA? That looks like an imperial symbol right there. Alright, so there's the back. Flip that around. And there's your front. And now you got the backpack. We're drawing Burgh. Alright, now. As a usual backpack. Modular design theory tag. I've never figured out what these are for in a backpack. Here's where you put the things. Let's see what's in here. Zippers here. Not really sure. Now they ever pop up. I wonder if you got enough of these and you threw them in a lake, would it dry up the lake? I don't know. Or the ocean or a river. Okay, now. Alright, there's the inside of the backpack, which you probably can't see very well. I'm not sure where you're... There's a nice pouch here for your devices with a Velcro strap. Which I don't have the strength to open. But Lord, this thing is tight. There we go, got it open. Velcro strap to hold it in. Okay, I think I can take this tag off. Maybe I better leave the tag on. I'm sure this thing works. Okay. Piece of fine lint from Utah is in there, or from China. Another pouch is here. I guess for your cables or whatever. This zips down. And then there's another pouch here. Oh, and that opens up this. I'm not sure where the solar panel is supposed to go. I think it might go... They don't give you a lot of instructions as to where the hell to put the solar panel. And in fact, there are no instructions where to put the solar panel. Nice big backpack, though. I mean, it's got lots of room in it. Well, I have to play with this. Well, let me open these up and see if... Of course, the question, I asked the guy, will this work with a MacBook or an iPad or an iPhone? I got no answer. And the guy didn't understand English or something. God, I can't get this thing open now. And I tried to find Erin's channel last night to thank her for sending her subscribers over, and I couldn't find her channel. I don't know what's going on with that. I do thank her for that, and also for those who donated. And I did thank people while they were donating. Someone said, you didn't thank anybody. And yeah, I did. Alright, here's one little cable. I have a bad feeling these are not going to work with my iPad, because Apple has, of course, proprietary cable. Here's another little cable. Or something, I guess, maybe a cell phone or something. These look like, these are all kinds of, I have no idea what these are. I have to take these to my Mac store and say, what are these, please? Set me all along. This looks like an iPhone 4 cable. I mean, iPhone 4 connector. I think these for different devices. I don't know what that is. getting tinier and tinier. Here's another one. Anybody knows who these are, please let me know. God, this one's super teensy. And then finally there's this one. I don't know what this is either, so I have no idea what some of these are. It would be nice to have instructions for this thing. Now let's look at the back here. I don't even see any way to connect the solar panel to the cable. What the hell? I may have to send this turkey back. Here's the battery. There is no obvious port that I can see. Oh, there it is. They're hiding it cleverly. It's under here. Little kind of a bricky thing. You're going to open the zipper up. You got to open this up. I don't think you'll be able to see that very well, but it's this black thing, and there's a port here. So let's but there's no way to hook the. I guess you have to put this on a table. There's nothing to. I figured you'd walk with this and it would be in the back of the backpack while you were walking or something. This goes in there. All right, that goes in there, that goes in there. So now that's attached. And there's a USB port. So I guess that's how you'll actually charge an iPad or whatever. So what I will do is stick this in the, I don't know how you, I don't, what's odd is, of course, it would be nice if this thing had an indicator light. Maybe it does. Hold on. There's something there, but this doesn't. Maybe it does. Boy. Well, maybe that is the indicator light. Let me screw with this. Nope, it's just a plug for this thing. Oh, there. I don't know what that's supposed to be. There's a bunch of holes there. This plastic thing goes on. There's nothing that I can see that's an indicator that tells you when it's charging. I hope I didn't wreck it. Get it back in there somehow. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Now I got to put this little tab back in. Good luck with that, folks. Oh boy. I pulled the tab out. Big mistake. I shouldn't have pulled the tab out. Now I can't get it back in. There we go. No. There we go. No, it's not going. Damn it. Well, it lit up for a minute. God, I'm mad at myself now. I can't get this thing back in there. All right, we're just going to play with this, and I'll let you know in a future video how this thing charges and all that, and hook it up to my iPhone and my MacBook. That's it for now. Whoop, just went over. Oh, shit.